All right, so just woke up. We're on the coast of New South Wales. We are heading into Awful Mechanical today to really get an understanding if there's things we can improve on, but also do some R&D, some training, and tune a few cars while we're there. I can't imagine why you wouldn't want to come here, get your car tuned in Moruya, and visit these beautiful places. There's some amazing places we visit along the way. So let's go see some seals. Definitely a unique smell. Yeah. Let's go get some brekkie. All right, so we just rolled up at Awful Mechanical in Moruya. The first impressions is there is Toyotas everywhere here, which is really cool to see. And no wonder, this workshop is amazing to look at. The dyno cell looks amazing and the setup through the whole shop is really, really cool. So come for a walk and we'll show you guys what it's all about.
We're really excited to have Matt down because for us, we're very proud of what we've achieved here with our workshop, and to have Matt now know what we have here and what we can provide is really important.
So I just got in, I'm struggling to say the name Moruya. I said it a million times on the way on the car here. I was practicing Awful Mechanical in Moruya. Was that right?
Yep.
I said it so many different ways. Yep. It was a tongue twister for me. So we finally got over that piece, which I'm really stoked about.
Nice.
But mate, awesome workshop. I think anyone that has a Toyota coming to this place would definitely be very impressed. Just Auto stuff. Cool. How good's that? Looks awesome.
Yeah, the Just Auto's products are excellent. We've never had any, warranty concerns or any customers come back with an unhappy product. The installation of everything they do is fantastic. Obviously the R&D they put into it and the information they provide to us to install them is brilliant.
So this is definitely pretty cool. We've got 300 of the 250 and the 79 there, and you see the dyno cell. Definitely love the signs in it and the way that it looks. It looks fantastic, so definitely very visual. I even love the fact that you got your stock as far as a lot of those loose items where they tend to collect dust, but you've got them set up and organised so well. This is a nearly 2,000 square metre workshop. It's got a lot of gear here. It's got the hoist, it's got the new dyno cell there, wash bays, they do PPF, they do a lot of different things here. They do everything really, really well. Huge stock room up there.
Yeah, so mezzanine with parts and stock.
That's massive.
Yeah. Unfortunately, probably the downside to being down here, obviously so far away from Sydney or bits and pieces, you just have to be self-reliant.
Yeah.
Carry a stock level now that keeps us sort of pretty well going.
I mean, for definitely having trucks in here, most truck workshops I see are completely filthy and there's crap everywhere. Yeah. So this is extremely clean for someone that does trucks as well. So one of the big things I love is seeing clean workshops. You got to remember, these cars are coming in, they're full drives, they're muddy, they're dirty, they're sandy. And just by putting one car in the workshop, you end up with a pile of crap around it usually most of the time. And to keep on top of that cleaning and make sure it's clean and still be productive requires a lot of effort. If someone's going to take care of their own space, they're going to take care of your car.
So in the workshop, we obviously have a couple of bays where we obviously still do heavy diesel. And then this side of the workshop down here is obviously where we do all our J-Max builds and suspension and tuning packages and stuff like that. We now have the new dyno cell, which has been great.
I love seeing dyno cells and having a look at their dyno cell. It's freshly painted in there. It looks amazing with their signs. Definitely some things there that I want to take away from that and try and add into our own dyno cells. Are they vents behind there? Do you have vents that exit out?
No, it's basically just straight out into the back paddock.
Great. That'll do.
Yeah.
How's the light it brings in? Love your signs, they're cool as. I think I'm gonna probably try and steal this idea somehow.
Yeah.
250 Series Prado, so just doing a stock run on it, setting up the dyno, and then we're going to get into putting a multi-map in this one. Yeah, multi-map in this one. So it's just got the airbox in it, which is part of our package 1 kit, so yeah, it should be really good. Or package 2, sorry.
Always awesome for Matt and Snitz to sit in the car together, do tuning. Like at the end of the day, everybody's always learning, and it's great for Snitz to be able to sit next to Matt. But the importance of our team is, for us, is everything, like we've obviously got a staff level of 14 people. We've been fortunate enough, a lot of the guys that are here now have been here for a long time. So, we're stoked with the boys we have.
Yeah, so I've had dealings with Adam and Penny and also Snitz with a lot of the tuning stuff on the Toyota platform. They originally come down nearly 12 months ago and did their training with us down at Just Autos. I'm really really impressed with how they perceive our product, what they do with it, the customer service, the cleanliness of their workshop. You know, hats off to them. They've done an amazing job so far.
You know why he gets schnitzel? Literally when he was a young bloke, he was like a 6-year-old. All he would eat was chicken schnitzel. You go out for dinner, chicken schnitzel, nothing. So hence, we have the schnitz.
Done the 250 series. The boys are just putting the shaft back in that because it's only a 2-wheel drive dyno, and that come up really good. They've got 2 300 series here. That was just finishing up with the snorkel. They both got protection packages on them. I believe that one's also getting part of our package too. And then we've got 2 79 series, one just for a single tune, and the other one's a multi-map tune out there as well, so we've got to have a look at and go through that. So that'll be good. Small Toyotas to do, a lot more fun, so it'd be great. We're just going to run it up with the tune that's in there right now, see where it's at. We'll put a stock file back in the car and just see what it does stock and compare those 2 files. And then we'll put our multi-map in there and we'll see the difference between obviously where it was before and where it is, you know, once we finish with it. So 133 was standard, so that's a stock file in it. Went to 184, that was current tune. We put a multi-map in it. On the top tune of the multi-map went 228. We can see we're around our peak torque around 22,000 RPM roughly. It ended up making 761 Newton meters from the 578. That's a considerable amount. Overall from factory, it's a 128% increase from factory. And we gained another 26% on top of what was already there as well. 30% increase is noticeable. To come up, that's more than 100 Newton meters. You'll definitely notice that. That's going to be a big difference. So yeah, it looks like a winner. We'll get through the rest of this multi-mapping. I'll do some more trimming on it to get some better control over that boost pressure, but all in all, we're definitely making some good gains there. You happy, Snitz?
Yeah.
He's happy. See, Snitz is happy. So we're obviously the limitations of what the turbo can do at the moment. There's no more in this turbo. So if the customer wanted any more power in this, we'd recommend a JA 300, and that will allow us to get to that sort of 300 horsepower and around that 1,000 Newton meters. It's a turbo that will do that and do that really easily with still the same sort of package you got on with the stage 3 package. So yeah, I think for this customer, if they're wanting more, that's really the only other option moving forward. So we're about to wrap things up here at All4 Mechanical. I think it's been an amazing trip. I think both parties have learned a lot and got a lot out of it, so it's been really, really good. If you're in the Moruya area and you're looking for getting some stuff done to your Toyota, please come see these guys or give us a call back at Just Autos. They'll be happy to answer any of your questions. So if you're interested in a Just Autos package, we have nationwide distributors all around Australia. Please get in contact with us. The guys are happy to speak to you. Look forward to hearing from you. Moruya, Moruya, Moruya. Moruya area, Moruya. It's just a fucking word. We're in Moruya. Moruya. It's a fucked up name. Moruya. Was that right?
Yep.
That was right, wasn't it?
It was.